Just start marching through. Right, left, right, left. Nice and gently to warm up. Point those toes, so lifting through. Lifting the feet off the floor. Let's change it. I want you to lift the heels up. So working through the feet. So just a reminder, if you're working out in bare feet, check there's nothing you're going to stand on that's going to hurt your feet. If you're wearing trainers, great, that's fine. Change it to that lift again, pointing the toes down. Nice definite light feed, lifting. Take it to a normal march now. You're going to march 2 forward, back, so forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward. Just let the arms swing gently, shoulders should be relaxed. Take it at your own pace. If you need to make it easier, take the step smaller. If you want to make it harder, come forward a bit more. Little shuffle on the back, 1, 2, 3, left, right, and back. Left, right. And again, left, right. Ready for that shuffle at the back? 1, 2, 3, right, left. Don't worry too much if you haven't got it, just keep moving through. Shuffle through. Left, right. Last time. Shuffle here. Just march on the spot. Taking it wide. Try and keep up nice and tall, chin retracted, head up. To each side, so 2. Opening that hip out, getting some movement in the hips. So you can just let the arms swing if that's more comfortable. Again, shoulders are relaxed. Feet in, just march it through. Marching wide. 8. In for 4. That's 4, 3, 2, and wide. Keep going. Keep the feet moving. Just catching up with the beat. Just a little bit faster. 2 out, 2 in now. So out, out, in. Out, out, in. Well done. Take it wide at the front, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. Let's tap change. So tap and change. Leading on left now. Don't worry again too much if you can't change. Let's change again. Don't worry if you can't get that change. Tap change. If you're not managing to change, just stay on the same side. Better to keep walking than get it perfect. Let's tap change again. Tap change, making the change a bit faster now. Change every time, so tap change. Again, don't worry if you haven't got that tap change. Just stay on the same foot for now. Next time you can try and get it. Turning the body slightly as you do this now. It's almost a horseshoe shape. Swing with the arm. Arms are optional, but it does add to the intensity of the workout. When the music changes, we're going to go back to marching on the spot next to the hip. 2 forward, 2 back. Shuffle change. shuffle change. Last time, shuffle change. We're going to tap change and take it wide. Tap change, other side. Taking it wide at the front, together at the back. Tap change. Woo! I'm ahead of myself there. Don't worry if you didn't change, I didn't intend you to. Change. Now we're going to go for singles. Wide, wide, together, tap change. That arm. Just let that arm pull you through. As we come into the next track, it's quite fast. So we're going to keep the foot movement quite small, but I want you to try and lift your knees quite high. Just keep the feet moving through. If you need to grab a sip of water, please do. So try and get those arms swinging. So this is the fastest one track of the workout, so just keep moving through. Try the knee lift. Lift. If that's too much, take it to a tap. Keep that knee lift smaller. If you want to make it harder, you can add some arms. Up to you. I'm going to leave the arms out. Smash it through. Doesn't matter which foot you're on, I'm trying to move it back to the right foot. Oh, there you go. That was the hardest part. We're going to start to bring the heart rate down now. March forward for 4, hold it here for 4, and back for 4. Forward for 4, hold it here for 4, back for 4. 2 knee lifts at the top. Take it wide and together at the back. So out, out, in, in. Knee lifts at the front, march forward, knee lifts. March it back, 2 wide, 2 in. March it forward. And back. And forward. Last time forward. Just march it through for 8. And we're going to side step. Stepping together. Just arms swing gently. To the other side. And change. And change. 4, 3, 2, and change. And change. And change. Hold it in the centre, march it through. Marching forward for 4, 3, 2 knee lifts. And back. 2 wide, 2 together. Forward, knee lifts. Keep it moving. I'm just going to finish off now. Out and in. Stay facing me. I want you to take your feet out behind one at a time. Let the arms swing gently. We're going to hold that right leg back. Watch your feet are parallel, pointing forward, so your ankle is in line with the front foot. Straightening that back leg, front knee above the ankle. So lift the heel and up. You can add an arm float if you wish, that's up to you. Hold it down and feel that stretch in the calf. Bring the tummy in. Nice straight line from the head through to the ankle. Bring it back in. Do the same with the left. Let's take it back and lift and low and lift and low and lift. Hold it down. Front knees above the ankle. Now if you're struggling with your balance, take the legs wider apart this way. Just hold that stretch. To do, take that right leg back, knees above the ankle at the front, so make sure you're far enough back. Drop that back leg down, tuck under, push forward, and you feel the stretch through the hip. Now if you want to, you can balance and take your stretch to here and hold a wall if you need to. Taking the left leg back. So again, you can take the left leg back, knees above the ankle at the front, you're dropping down, pushing that hip forward, feel the stretch. Or you can hold here. Well done. I hope you enjoyed that walking workout. I'll be back here next week with another workout for you. Keep fit.